Hi, I'm Phil, branch manager at Brewers in Hull, and welcome to my branch. We are open Monday to Friday 7 till 5 and Saturday 8 till 5. You can find us on Reform Street in Hull, which is in the centre of the town, which is easily located off Freetown Road. We have all your decorating needs covered, from brushes, abrasives, paints and rollers. We have all the major brands covered, from Jokes, Albany, Crown and Johnson. If you can't make it into the branch, we offer a daily delivery service around the surrounding area. You are most welcome to come down and view our fantastic range of wall covers. Or alternatively, you can come down and view thousands of wallpapers on our new HOD selection system. You'll get the best service and great advice from my team.